Hello guys, welcome to the second video of Numpy series. In the first video we learned how to make one-dimensional and two-dimensional array, and in this video we are going to learn about some inbuilt function of Numpy. So you can see that we have imported Numpy as np and we have created a variable, and in the variable we have made a two-dimensional array. And if you press shift plus enter, you can see the output. We are getting the two-dimensional array actually. So the first inbuilt function is data, and we are calling it as by it is name array air dot data, because we have created the variable named air, and the main function is this part dot data. So if you hit shift and enter, what you will get the output. You can see the memory. It is showing us the memory location where the data, where the array has been stored. So if you are not using PyCharm, Jupyter, and you are using PyCharm or any other IDE, you will just need to add this print in front of this array.data. But if you are using Jupyter notebook, you can simply remove this part, and if you hit enter you will get the same output. So this is the benefit of Jupyter notebook actually. And in the next line you can see we have created a one-dimensional array, and if you hit enter you can see the memory location has been changed. You can see last two digit there was E0, and here we have get 80. So you can specify that the memory location has been changed. This is how we can know about the memory location where the datas are being stored. So okay guys, and in the next function we are going to talk about the size. You can see we have used the same array before we have used here, and in here if you print out array dot size, and what you will get, you have to press shift plus enter and you are getting that 8. So we can see that we have got 4 and 4, total 8 elements here. So array dot size will identify how many elements do you have in the array. And then we want to talk about the shapes actually. So what is this shape? If you shift plus enter, you can see that we have got 2 comma 4. What does it mean? You can see guys, this is the first row and this is the second row. So this 2 identifies about the row number. So we have got 2 rows and 4 columns, 1 2 3 4 columns actually. So this is the 2 comma 4, 2 row by 4 column shape. And then the next function is array dot ndim. You can change this array because I have named it as array. If you name it other, you can actually you will need to change this. So main function is dot ndim. So what is going to show us ndim? If you hit enter, you can see this is a two-dimensional array because we made this as two-dimensional. So we had rows and column, that is creating a two-dimensional array, and we are getting the output 2. That means it is a two-dimensional array. But guys, if you make this, you can see this is a one-dimensional array, and if you press shift and enter, you will see the difference between output. It is 1 because we have created a one-dimensional array. And for in bigger cases like if you made 5 or 4 dimensional array, these functions will help you to find out the dimension. And after that guys, here is a funny function like that, and you can see we have used np dot zeros. What we are going to get? So this is a funny thing. You can see that we have got 5 elements, the same output with 0, and we have got one-dimensional array because we haven't declared any rows and column value. We have just created a single value that is going to specify the column and taking the rows as 1. So this is how, if you want to make a matrix or array using just one value 0, you can use this function actually. but we can modify this. If you want to make a two-dimensional array, and if you get the value, and the first value will specify the row and the second value will specify the column. So what we will get, if you hit enter, you can see we have got 5 rows and 2 columned array including the value 0 everywhere, and you can see these values are in float. So you can also change the values actually. So for doing that, you will just need to specify the data type, and if you hit enter, guys, you will see the difference. We are now getting one integer value for every output. So this is how you can actually make your own array including 0 by using just a function. And we will get another function that is also built with the value ones, and if you hit enter, you will get that 5 by 2 5 by 2 array, and we have specified the data type as integer. So guys, this is all for this video, and we will going to discuss about some more functions in the next video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you want to learn about more Numpy and use it in machine learning, you can watch my tutorial. The playlist link is in the description. So thanks guys.